Hello everyone, I am one of the member of Group 10, Almira Kalingishan, and my group mate is, my group members are Harold Avila, Vladimir Pili, Ellie Saldivar, and our learning task is RE and Stream in Architecture Organization. And this is our code. We have the section.data, section.pss, and section.tx text. Before we run our code or our program, first go to the File Explorer and this here and type the CMD at the address bar. Enter. Then you will be directed to the CMD application or CMD.exe. But as you can see at our file or folder, I already typed in nasam-f win32 file, your file name, or I'm going to show you like this. Nasam f win32 LT3. Enter GCC LT3 lesson. Sorry, object. And then just wait and then EX. EXE. And enter. After that, it shows it display the message that hi, we are Almira, Harold, LJ, and Vladimir. This program is intended to sort numbers and words to change all the vowels to a number. And as you can see, we have the options exit 0, 1 is number, 2 is word. And but I'm gonna follow the sample run from our instructor. First is 1. Choose 1. Then enter up to 5 items. 42, 15, 3, 67, 23. Then you see the sort by choose 1 ascending or 2 descending. I'll choose 1 because it's a sample run. Then it shows the ascending items 3, 50, 23, 42, 67. Then 2, sample 2. And there are 5 items. And there are 5 items. Apple, orange, banana, grape, ube. Then enter. I'll choose 1 for ascending. Then the ascending items is, or sorted items is apple, banana, grape, orange, ube. Then the program asks the user to change the vowel to numbers, yes or no. I'll choose yes, uppercase. And it shows the exact or same output from sample run and into our program. 1 is A and 2 is E, and 1 is A in banana and grape A. A is 1 and 2 is E at the orange. 0 is 4. O is 4 and 1 is A and 2 is E. And 5 is U from ube and 2 is E. Then I'll choose 1 again. 1. I'll type 89, 18, 6, and I'll try the not integers, GG, and 35, 55. Then it shows the error invalid input. Please enter only numbers message. And I'll type again the numbers or integers 89, enter 18, enter 6, enter and 88, enter and 35. I'll choose 2 for descending. Pabaliktad kumbaga kung yung ascending is pasunod-sunod by from 1 to 100 and then descending is 100 to 1. That's it. It shows the sorted items. And then I'll choose 2 again. 2, 2, 2, I'll choose 2. Oh, sorry about that. Wait. Wait. Back. I'll choose where did I? Saan ba yun? Saan na yun? Enter up 5 items. Oh, sorry again, the error message. Apple. Sorry. Apple. 3. Banana. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Cherry. And enter. It shows the error message that only words is accepted or hindi kailangan ng integers doon sa words only. Doon sa words na hinihingin items. And ulitin naman natin is apple, atis, banana, cherry, then enter. I'll choose 2 for descending. And it shows the descending is cherry, berry, banana, atis, apple, and then Y, or Y is for yes, no, for N. Then let's return to the main menu assembly program by unknown, then options, exit, no, word, number, and their choice. Then I'll choose 0 for the exit. Then it returns the thank you message. And that's all. Thank you for listening and watching. Keep in touch. Thank you.